Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. About an hour ago I shot one video just showing the updated progress of the germination of our 3 tomato seeds, so you can check that video out. That's the one just before this one. And now we're going to plant those little seeds that have germinated. So to get the seeds going, I have a little bit of potting soil and a few of these little jiffy pots. So I'm going to take my potting soil and I'm just going to fill those up, and then I'll come back. And just before we start the planting process, here are our little seeds, and this is day 6 of germination. So you can see in relationship to my finger how much activity has happened here. So we've got the 3 there. So I'm going to zoom out and then we're going to plant them. So we'll just make a few holes. And at this point, if you like to fertilize your plants, do not use anything. Because these little seedlings are so small, you would shock them and kill them if you used any type of fertilizer. So just water and sunlight. And then just very, very carefully, just get that root right in there. And then cover it in. You can just give a little bit of a press with your finger, just like that. So get most of that root right in there. You just want a little bit of that stem. You can see that this one within probably a day is going to open right up already. Nice and easy. Just drop it in. This one here still has the seed on the head of the plant. I'll just get in there, just give it a little bit of pressure just to hold that in there. And that's good. And our last one. And this one here also has the seed still attached. It's probably not picking that up. Just get that in there. This one here is a little bit more difficult. I want to make sure that seed does not get buried, the top does not get buried in there. So just give it a little bit of a push. See, I can see a little bit of the root there. I want to make sure I get that right down and then cover it in. And then just make sure the top is lifted, just like that. Add a little bit more. That's good. And then the last step, just a little bit of water. And at this point, these are very delicate. Doesn't need a lot of water. And if it's still winter in your part of the world, you can just get these into a window now. If you're lucky enough to have nice weather, you can already get these outside. But at this point, I wouldn't even suggest that. I would let these go for maybe 3 days, and then once you start seeing that they're getting a little bit taller, then you can get them into the sun. So just to finish off this video, this is day 6 of germination, and also the first day that our little seeds have gone into the soil. So I'm going to call this day 1 of planting, but it was 6 days from germination. So if you want to see all of the videos in this series, I have created a little playlist on my YouTube channel, and you can check those out and you can watch right from the beginning. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you want to keep up on the progress of my little tomato plants, just hit that subscribe button. There's also a brand new notification bell. If you click that, you'll be notified via email every time I upload a brand new video. And of course, if you're into any kind of baking, make sure you check me out on my large baking channel, Bake Like a Pro. I have over 500 recipes there. You can also check me out there, facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today's video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.